Hi, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. I'm Jake, and with me is Emma. Hi, Emma. How's it going?
Hi, Jake. I'm doing great. Hello to all our listeners. Today, we have a super interesting topic, technology. It's something we use every day, but sometimes we don't stop to think about it. I'm really excited to talk about it.
Yes, technology is everywhere around us, from the phone in your hand to the car you drive. Technology is a big part of our lives. So, let's start simple. Emma, what is technology?
Good question. Jake, technology is anything made by people to solve problems or make life easier. For example, your smartphone is a piece of technology. It helps you talk to people, search for information, and even play games.
Exactly. And not just phones, things like computers, TVs, and even kitchen appliances are all part of technology. They make our lives more convenient and connected. Emma, what piece of technology do you use the most?
I think I use my phone the most. It helps me with so many things: calling, texting, checking the weather, and even learning new things. What about you, Jake?
I'm the same. My phone is always with me, but I also use my laptop a lot. It's great for work, watching videos, and browsing the internet.
That's true. The internet is one of the biggest parts of modern technology. It connects people all over the world. Jake, do you know how the internet works?
Well, the internet is a network that allows computers to talk to each other. When you send a message or look up something online, that information travels through the internet and comes back to your device. It's like a big highway for information.
That's a great way to describe it. The internet has made our lives so much easier. We can learn anything, anytime, from anywhere. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, it's incredible. You can search for any information, watch videos, listen to music, and even talk to people in other countries all through the internet.
And let's not forget social media. It's a big part of our lives now. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter let us stay in touch with friends and share our experiences with the world.
That's true. Social media has changed the way we communicate, but we should also be careful about how we use it. Spending too much time on social media can sometimes make people feel tired or stressed.
Yes, that's a good point. It's important to find a balance. Technology is a tool that should help us, not take over our lives. Now, Jake, let's talk about something really exciting: robots.
Oh, yes, robots are super cool. A robot is a machine that can do tasks, sometimes all by itself. For example, some robots can vacuum your house, while others can even help in hospitals.
That's right. And did you know that some factories use robots to build cars? These robots can work very fast and help make the process easier and safer.
That's amazing. Robots are being used more and more to help people. And speaking of help, let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is like a brain for machines. It helps computers and robots learn and make decisions.
Yes, AI is in a lot of things we use today. For example, when you use your phone to search for something, AI helps you find the best results. It's also in voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. They listen to what you say and help you with tasks.
It's so interesting. AI is getting smarter every day. In the future, we might have even more machines that can think and help us in our daily lives. But Emma, do you think all these new technologies are always good?
That's a great question. Technology is amazing and helps us a lot, but we also need to be careful. For example, if we use our phones or computers too much, we might forget to talk to the people around us. It's important to find a balance.
Yes, balance is key. Technology should make our lives better, but it's also important to spend time with friends and family, and not always be on our screens. Now, Emma, let's talk about how technology has changed over time. Do you remember what phones used to be like?
Oh, yes. Phones used to be much bigger, and they didn't have all the smart features we have today. You could only make calls or send texts. There were no apps, no internet, and definitely no social media.
That's true. Now, phones are like mini computers. We can do so much more with them, take photos, play games, and even video chat with friends. Technology really has come a long way.
And it's not just phones. Think about how we used to watch TV or listen to music. Before, we had to wait for our favorite show to come on. But now we can watch anything, anytime, on streaming services.
Yes, streaming has changed everything. We can listen to music or watch movies whenever we want. It's so convenient. But Emma, do you think there's more technology to come in the future?
Definitely, technology is always changing. In the future, we might see flying cars, more advanced robots, and even more smart devices in our homes. Who knows? The possibilities are endless.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait to see what the future brings. But one thing is for sure, technology will keep changing our lives in big ways.
Yes, and it's important for us to learn about new technologies so we can use them wisely. Technology is a tool, and it's up to us to use it in a way that makes our lives better.
Exactly. Well, Emma, I think we've covered a lot today. We talked about what technology is, how we use it, and even some of the cool things we might see in the future.
Yes, it was a fun conversation. I hope our listeners learn something new and feel more excited about the technology they use every day.
Me too. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed today's episode about technology.
And don't forget, if you liked this podcast, share it with your friends and family. We'll be back soon with another interesting topic.
Until next time, everyone, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.